Want to host your website with Hostinger? Let's set up your account quickly and easily. First, go to hostinger.com in your browser or use the Hostinger app. Tap sign up and choose your method. You can choose sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. Enter your info, set a strong password, and confirm your email. Follow the on screen instructions and prompts. You are now ready to pick a hosting plan and launch your online journey. Use a business email if you are creating a professional site. It's easier for client communication later. Are you building a vlog or business website? Tell us in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.